Risen from the Ashes by ZIA. The goal is to be human. You don't need to be seeking perfection, the perfect poison, she wrote. Not transcendence, tolerance, a dynamic human, accepting that life is defined, confined, rather, by the cycles of things. Deliberately vague, metamorphosized by the trauma of whatever you want to call it. Life is trauma, confined by cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Illustrated by wildfires, regrowth in the ashes, deliberately vague, illustrated by cycles. Sometimes I think the moon calls me to you. Cycles of rebirth and cast aside, seen in plants, cultivated nature, a natural garden. Did you know the California Bay laurel is one of the first plants to grow after a fire? Risen from the Ashes by ZIA.